You've been my heart. Hi, Lawrence. Haircut unsub. I don't have ano. Don't have permission to cut. I want you look this 2025 because the rest of the years passed by. I have my long hair. So this time I wanted to have a short hair in order to move on all of the negative energies happens to my life. Ismael, hello. Parang anghel mula sa langit. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I like it. Thank you. Thank you so much, Ismael. Mega love shout out. Thank you, Bernie. Hi, the Lord. Cortez Baker. Hello there. Hi. You're Cortez also? I'm Cortez. Cortez. Where are you from? I am Cortez also. Gindo Channel. Hello, my friend. How are you? Thank you guys sa pag-visit sa aking live. I'm live on my two channel, Kisha and Trisha. I mean Tisha and Kisha. Sana ay mapansin ang aking pag-ibig. Giling ko iyong iniwan. Hello, my friend! Gindo Channel, Artista No. You're kidding me. Don't say that. You make me asar impressive. Oh, really? It's not. I'm gonna make you laugh, guys. I love to sing, but the song did not like me. Oh, Manu, my friend, you're good in guitar, right? So I'm a singer, and you're a guitarist. We do a concert. What do you think? Hi, what do you think? Ay, naku, gigutom na naman ako. Kakain ko lang giaha ka man siya eh. Excuse me. From Indonesia, I'll always be here for you, Tisha. Yes, okay. I'd like to visit your concert. Okay, see you there. I'll expect you there, okay? Acme, hello. Thank you for visiting my live. Mega love shout out. Thank you, my friend, in the channel. Thank you so much for visiting my very live. We are live from Philippines. Ay, nako.